So in the interim, what exactly does that mean? I mean, I mentioned the year-to-date performance in the stock, Ian. It looks like you guys have gained a little dabble of favor in the market, which I'm satisfied with. This project with Oroco, I don't want to speak for other share owners. I can speak for myself. The Oroco project for me is actually fairly simple to understand, and what you guys are looking to do is fortify the project. So, how is it that you see this project lending itself as we enter into the back half of 25? And let's just talk from a perspective of maybe post September, going into the holiday and entering into 2026 as an Oroco share owner.
Mhm. Well, the engagement of Whittle keeps our team engaged technically and in this sort of review of the strategic potential. So that's great. It
Yes.
gives me, Andrew, Wera, QP, Richard, and the technical team on site something to really sink our teeth into. So I think it's good in the background in that sense. It does get us ready for that PFS that we discussed. And I think we'll see the major findings in September and into October. And this will tee us up, I think, for fully scoping the PFS. So I think those are good. In the interim, we have continued the political engagement, which you've followed and been aware of.
Very much.
We most recently saw a statement coming from the president in Mexico that there will be a by-case consideration of mining projects. There will not be just a blanket mandate to move all mining projects forward. And so in that regard, we're in the process of becoming filed with the designated project registry, which is part of Plan Sinaloa and the overarching Plan Mexico that the president has as her, mandated wish to grow the economy in Mexico. And as far as we can tell, that is moving forward steadily and somewhat aggressively. And so to be part of that is wonderful.
Beautiful.
And so we have recently filed a second draft of our project description with all its options and social and environment, etc. considerations. And there may be a need to update that. We'll see. We're engaged with the political process in the background. So that too is an ongoing project that we expect will shortly have us on that registry. And then there will be an expectation from the community, from the state, and from the federal representatives who've engaged with us that we'll begin to move this project forward into PFS, into environment baselining, and start walking forward as an enterprise that intends to be developed in one way or another on a reasonable time frame.